Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. Today I'm here to show you how to make Barberry rice with saffron chicken. Just look at its color and shine. The taste speaks for itself. Stay with me so we can make this delicious dish together. To start, season your chicken pieces with spices and salt. I used half a teaspoon each of paprika, black pepper, turmeric, salt, and garlic powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron and massage it in well. Then cover the container and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours so the flavors can blend well. Letting the chicken rest is a very important step because it directly affects the flavor. After the resting time, pour some oil into a suitable pan and fry both sides of the marinated chicken. After frying, remove the chicken from the pan and add 1 large onion thinly sliced to the same pan. Sauté it well until it becomes completely caramelized. Once it looks like it does in the video, add 5 cloves of garlic, either grated or finely chopped, and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until the aroma of the garlic is released. Now add a pinch of turmeric for better color, along with a pinch of paprika and black pepper to flavor the chicken sauce. Since the chicken itself has already been seasoned with spices, there's no need to add a lot of extra seasoning. Sauté the spices as well for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add 1 chopped bell pepper and sauté it. Then arrange the pieces of chicken in the pan. To make your chicken taste even more amazing, add 7 to 8 wild plums. This is completely optional, but I recommend not leaving it out. Now add half a teaspoon of salt for the sauce's flavor and pour in about 2 French cups of boiling water. This dish doesn't need a lot of water. Lower the heat, cover the pan, and let it cook on low for an hour and a half. After 45 minutes of cooking, flip the chicken pieces over. Let it cook until both sides are fully done. At this stage, add some brewed saffron as well. Close the lid of the pan again and let it cook for another 45 minutes so it thickens and the flavors develop. After an hour and a half, this is the amazing result. Your chicken is fully cooked and you have a thick, delicious sauce. Turn off the heat. For the barberries, I cleaned 3 tablespoons of barberries and soaked them in water for 15 minutes. After the specified time, drain them. In a small suitable pan, add a bit of butter or ghee. Then add the barberries. Sauté them for just 2 minutes. The heat shouldn't be too high so they don't burn. To make it tastier, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and some brewed saffron. If you like, you can also add a very small amount of rose water. Then mix about 2 spatulas of rice with it and stir well. And here is your delicious barberries for the Zereshk Polo. Pour them over your steamed rice and enjoy it together with that tasty chicken and its thick sauce. Bon appétit, and thank you for staying with me until the end. I'd be delighted. Please follow the Cooking with Mahtab channel and stay with me.